Chartered Accountant Section 2(17). A chartered accountant means a chartered accountant as defined in Clause B of subsection 1 of Section 2 of the Chartered Accountants Act, 1949, who holds a valid certificate of practice under subsection 1 of Section 6 of that Act. Key features. 1. Qualification. A chartered accountant, CA, is a professional accountant who has passed the examinations and met the training requirements set by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, ICAI. This qualification is recognized under the Chartered Accountants Act, 1949. 2. Certificate of practice. To practice as a chartered accountant, an individual must hold a valid certificate of practice, COP, issued by the ICAI. This certificate is a testament to the professional's authority to engage in public practice, including auditing, taxation, and advisory services. 3. Professional body. The ICAI is the governing body that regulates the profession of chartered accountancy in India. It sets the standards for education, examination, and practice for CAS, ensuring the quality and integrity of the profession. Roles and responsibilities. 1. Auditing. Chartered accountants conduct statutory audits, internal audits, and tax audits. They examine and verify the accuracy of financial statements, ensuring compliance with accounting standards and regulatory requirements. 2. Taxation. CAS provide advisory services on direct and indirect taxes. They assist in tax planning, filing tax returns, and representing clients before tax authorities. 3. Financial management. Chartered accountants offer expertise in financial planning, budgeting, and cost management. They help organizations optimize their financial performance and ensure efficient resource allocation. 4. Advisory services. CAS provides strategic advice on mergers and acquisitions, business restructuring, and financial strategy. They help companies navigate complex financial landscapes and make informed decisions. 5. Compliance and reporting. Chartered accountants ensure that companies comply with statutory and regulatory requirements. They assist in preparing and filing various returns and reports required under different laws. Importance in the Companies Act. 1. Corporate governance. Chartered accountants play a crucial role in promoting transparency and accountability in corporate governance. Their audits and reviews ensure that companies maintain accurate and fair financial records. 2. Regulatory compliance. CAS help companies comply with the provisions of the Companies Act, 2013, and other relevant laws. They assist in the preparation and submission of financial statements, annual returns, and other statutory documents. 3. Investor confidence. The involvement of CAS in auditing and financial reporting enhances investor confidence. Their independent verification of financial information provides assurance to stakeholders about the integrity and reliability of financial statements.